since I've come to my channel. I'm sorry, not sorry about it. I think there's a stain on this. Who cares? I wanted to make a video today showing something that I got in the mail. Is that ASMR Cardi B style? The Fit Fat Fun box. It was only $5 I had to pay for shipping. Now I thought it'd be fun to do a cute unboxing video. Now I'm gonna pretend like I haven't ripped this open and tried half of this stuff already, but I'm gonna show you anyway. All right, so this is how the box comes. It comes in a cute little container like this. When you open it, it has this little card inside. Like I said, pretend like this is all fresh and new. I promise I didn't just rip all of this open before. So you get this cute card that tells you what's gonna be inside of it and all the pricing on that and all the fun stuff that's in your box. There's a robe, a hair mask kind of conditioner stuff, and it smells like ginger, beautiful. There's this cute little palette in here that I'm still on the fence about, but I will show you guys. And then this face cleanser that honestly, I can't wait for y'all to hear about it. So diving first into the eyeshadow palette. It is called Ish. Love that. And it comes in this cute little package that kind of looks like a purse almost, if you get what I'm saying. I think you understand what I mean. When you first opened it, it had a protector. I took it off because I'm dumb. And I swatched this color right here. Now, when you put it on your arm, you're not going to see this because I can't do camera stuff at all. When you swatch it on your arm, I'm going to see if you can see it. You're not even able to see it. But it like wipes away in like one swipe. So if that's a problem for you, I don't know. But for me it is because I'm messy and I rub my eyes all day. But it's got like a cute little array of colors, and I guess it would do the job if you needed something to grab quick. In my personal opinion, would I grab this? Probably not. If I needed something quick to just like bring somewhere, maybe I'd throw it into my purse or something, but honestly I have things that already do that. So I don't know how I feel about this. I might be giving it away to somebody. Moving on to the next thing, it's the hair mask, spelled M-A-S-K. So if that's something you're interested in, like I said, it smells fantastic. It looks like this. It's like a nice conditioner texture. One thing you have to keep in mind is a lot of stuff like this, like hair and face cleanser skincare, you're gonna need to use it a hot amount of times for it to make sense for your body. I'm only gonna be using it once and letting y'all know how I feel, but stay tuned for that. Next thing is the face cleanser by Tula Probiotic Skincare. It is a probiotic gel-based cleanser, removes dirt, impurities, and makeup gently and effectively. Skin is less balanced, clarified, and prepped for skincare. Now my skincare routine is actual shit. I only moisturize every now and then, and it's an SPF moisturizer, so the sun does not destroy my beautiful skin. I will show you how I feel about this when I hop in the shower to use the conditioner, so on and so forth. The next thing and final thing was this robe. Now, I don't know what drove them to send me this robe, to be quite honest, because I think they asked me what kind of patterns I like, and I hate floral. Hate floral more than anything in the universe. But I mean, it's a cute little robe. I can throw this on after the shower and y'all can see and kind of judge for yourself how you feel about it. But there's the robe. Alright, we're gonna hop in the shower and I will see you all in a bit. Hey y'all, so I'm in my shower. It's fucking cold. But I'm going to be testing out this stuff for y'all, so I apologize for the lying name. I put a towel down because it's gonna get fucking messy because I have to leave my shower open. So you're welcome. And yes, I have all of my makeup on in the shower. I have no shame. First thing we're gonna try is the hair conditioner mask, because my hair just doesn't want to ever do anything except suffer. Alright, so we're gonna need like this much, let's be honest, to cover my head. Okay, I'm gonna put my hair up in a bun just to kind of get this out of the way so we can go ahead and do the rest of the stuff, okay? Alright, we're back. Better than ever. We're going to try the skincare now. So pray for my fucking face. So it looks like this. Like, I mean, y'all can imagine. I'm sure y'all are used to having stuff like this on your face already, so it should be a walk in the park for y'all. Just did it everywhere. Just finished wiping it off my face. I'm going to let this mask sit for the extra, I guess, 15 minutes that it needs to like do all the business, and then we'll reconvene when I am done. Alright friends, I am out of the shower. Super clean, super fresh. I'm wearing the robe that was in there. First impression, it feels itchy and stiff. Don't really like it, but to each their own. You might like it. Again, I just want to say thank you to my friend Rhiannon for sending me this beautiful box. Final thoughts in terms of me with my stuff, my hair. After I left it in for like 10-15 minutes, it felt like any other hair mask, so I don't feel like you could justify spending $42 on it. If you want to, go for it, but there are ones that are like $8 at Target that do the exact same thing. Same thing with the face cleanser. I haven't used it long enough to where I could be like, oh my god, yes, this is my ride or die product, but like you can buy ones that have exfoliating properties to them and everything at Target. Granted, this one isn't marketed as an exfoliating skin cleanser, but for me, that's something I look for. So to each their own. Again, with the palette, final thoughts, just I might use it once. If I do, I will send y'all a picture on Snapchat or something. Add me on Snap. I'm so sorry y'all had to see that. Aside from that, I hope y'all enjoyed this. It was a great time. I'm gonna start uploading more frequently because I told my friend Rhiannon to hold me hostage until I upload every week. So, holding me to it. If you have video ideas, let me know in the comments down in my garage. Aside from that, stay fresh, stay cool, have fun, live your life. Do you, boo, and have fun. Okay, I'm done being awkward. Have a good day.